Hello friends, welcome to my cricket dreams. In this video, I plan to say today's cricket news. Here we can look at the top 5 famous bowlers who have taken a wicket of the first ball of a test match. Test matches are all about bowlers maintaining their lines and lengths to the batsman and trying to coax the batsman into making a mistake. The bowler's primary objective in Test cricket is to force a batsman into playing a shot rather than letting them leave balls that are outside the line of the stumps. Great bowlers like Glenn McGrath have made careers out of being distinctly accurate with their lines despite not having impressed pace. Captains also provide their bowlers with attacking fields a full slip cordon as well. Despite Test cricket being a game of balance between bat and ball, it is easier said than done to either make a batsman edge a ball or go past the defenses and thus getting bowled. In this news, we can take a look at top 5 very famous figures in Test cricket who took just one ball to dismiss a batsman. Here are 5 bowlers who have taken a wicket on the first ball of a Test match. Number 1, James Anderson. In the Centurion Test between England and South Africa in December last year, Anderson dismissed Dean Elgar with the first ball of the game. South Africa were put into bat by England and Anderson got them off to a good start as it gets. Anderson was back into the team after an absence of nearly 6 months owing to a calf injury and he was playing his 150th test as well. The pacer celebrated his return in style, getting Dean Elgar caught by keeper Jos Buttler. Anderson became the 4th Englishman to take a wicket of the first ball of a test after Maurice Tate, Geoff Arnold and Ryan Sitbottom. And number 2, Mitchell Starc. Australia's spearhead Mitchell Starc has already taken nearly 250 wickets in Test cricket in just 85 innings. The Aussies' frontman ball to James Vince made headlines in the Ashes last year as the ball of the summer. Starc achieved also many feats that finds him a place on this list back in 2016. He dismissed Sri Lankan batsman Dimuth Karunaratne on the first ball of the second test of the series at Gale. He bowled a very good length ball bang on the middle stump and the batsman shuffled to play a flick. The ball flew straight into the hands of Joe Burns at square leg. The game proved another milestone for Starc as he took a total of 11 wickets in that match, 5 wickets in the first innings and 6 in the second. And number 3, Dale Steyn. Only 2 Pro-Test bowlers have taken a wicket on the first ball of a Test match in this century. Inevitably, if you see, Dale Steyn is one of them. Steyn achieved this feat on the turn of the last decade against England. It was the 4th Test at Johannesburg in which England captain Andrew Storrs decided to bat. Ironically, it was Andrew Storrs taking guard with the red cherry in hands of Dale Steyn. Although it wasn't a spectacular ball, Storrs played a glance to the delivery ball at his hips and it went straight to Hashim Amla at short leg. It was Storrs' decision to bat first. Dale Steyn not only dismissed him on the very first ball, he also wrecked the whole batting order with a fifer. England went on to lose the test by an innings and margin. And number 4, Mohammad Amir. The Pakistani swing bowler was only 17 years old back in 2009, where he wrote his name among those who have taken a wicket for the first ball in Test matches. Although he was later banned from cricket in a match-fixing scandal, there was never any doubt regarding the quality of Mohammad Amir's lethal swing and pace bowling. In the first test against New Zealand at Dundalk, Amir dismissed Tim McCauley with the first ball of the game. He bowled a full swinging Yorker which cleaned up the Kiwi batsman's stumps totally. Amir is back in the national team now after a long absence. He has his name on the Lord's Honours board as well and achieved the feat in just 18 years, making him one of the most youngest players to do so in international cricket. At number 5 and the last one is Glenn McGrath. There is no bowling list without his man. Australian Glenn McGrath is one of the most all-time best fast bowlers in the cricket history. Just like his comrade Mitchell Starc, McGrath has also achieved this feat against Sri Lanka at Gale, but way back in 1999. He also dismissed a very high-profile batsman, Sanjay Surya, who is almost a nightmare for every bowler. McGrath bowled a good length ball on the middle of the stump, which Jayasuriya looked to defend with a straight bat. It touches the bat and edge and flew to Mark Waugh in the slips. McCarron became the fourth Australian bowler to take a wicket of the first ball of a test match and the first after the 1970s. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly like, subscribe and comment. And for more such notifications of the world cricket, kindly subscribe channel and also kindly like, share and comment the video. Thank you.